So we have since established a ward councillor. Ward councillor was a Ward 8, Mr. Marco Mbambo, and we have expelled him. His membership of the ANC is now terminated, and he is also terminated as a public representative of the ANC in Ward 8. He is no longer the ward councillor of Ward 8. We have expelled him from the party and from being the ward councillor of Ward 8. You'll remember that the people of Ward 8 in the last elections, they voted for the African National Congress. And that is why the African National Congress is exercising its right to recall its ward councillor. So we have now recalled Mr. Mbambo and we have expelled him from the ANC with immediate effect. We established that he has been working as a spy of the DA inside the ANC. We established that. We established also that he is now going to go and join the DA while as a councillor of the ANC, creating an impression that there is an exodus of members of the ANC leaving the ANC. That is why we have said we will not stay with such traitors, and we have expelled him from the party. He can join his DA. We have no problems with that, but he will not remain an ANC councillor while being a member of the Democratic Alliance.
Inkulumo eyangolesihlanu lapho khona ophethe ANC eKZN bekazisa amalunga eANC nomphakathi waseThekwini ukuthi ikhansela labo balixoshile ngoba bazwile ukuthi lisebenzela iDA futhi bakulindela ukuthi ayojoin iDA. Njengoba ubona la ku screen sakho lamadoda amabili, kukhona uDino McPherson ngapha kwesokudla, khona lamadoda amabili yiwo lawa asuka kuANC abengamakhansela omabili, bese kuba lo phethe Mike angimazi yini nalunga leDA sewajoyine iDA. Kunento important eshiwo uDino McPherson njengoba kulungiselela ukhetho. Siyazi ukuthi ngokohlelo lomasipala akusho ukuthi umuntu mangabe ebeyikhansela bese eyasuka la iANC automatically seyizofaka omunye umuntu. Cha, kuzoba nama by election lapho umphakathi uzophinda uthola ithuba lokuthi uphinde uvotele leyo nhlangano leyo abafisa ukuthi iphathe lapha. So iANC senethemba lokuthi njengoba abantu babevotela ANC babengavotelanga umuntu, babevotela ANC. So namanje makuza ama by election bazophinde bawin. NeDA futhi nayo inethemba no labantu sizobanika ama resources are right futhi ngoba abantu babevotele bona, ngoba bethemba bona hayi ANC, asazi ke ukuthi yozala nkomola. Kodwa ke bazikhulumele nabo emveni kokuba sebejoin iDA bachaza futhi nangokuxoshwa kwabo. Ngicela uzwe la.
When I heard on Friday, I was at Mlazi, when I saw the breaking news that my friend Mr. Mbambo, he has been expelled from the ANC without a proper consultation or any investigation. He just received a WhatsApp message that says you are fired. I was, very disappointed because I saw a lack of professionalism from African National Congress. I am a former convener at Ward 16. When you are a convener, like a branch chairperson. Now I am a former ward councillor. Now, ANC doesn't operate that way. I've been member of the ANC, long time ago. Experienced, leader at the branch level. Now, on Friday, we spoke with Mr. Mbambo more than 3 hours, telephonically. briefing me, and I can see, for him, it was a pain. Now, as a best friend, I comfort him. I told him, when other door closes, another door will open for you. And I told him also that if you go, I'm going to sympathize with you. I will go with you. On Saturday morning, I spoke with my family and also extended family. Ngubane is a very big family where I'm coming from, at a place called Nazareth. Now, from my family only, the ANC was receiving like 60 votes from my sister, from my brother family, and myself. Then I spoke with all of them to say, hey, look guys, maybe I will resign as well, because my friend was expected on Friday. They said to me, look brother, whatever you do, we will give you the support. If you go, we will go with you. I think next time when you will see all my family, they will take DA membership.
Enzima kakhulu-ke uma kuza kuma-local government elections le yokuthi thina njengabantu bomphakathi suke sivotela umuntu lo osuke ebekwe esigxotsheni, ukuthi njengoba lo muntu usuke ephuma phansi kweqembu. Kodwa-ke i-ANC ngokwayo ithi cha, kuvotelwa iqembu. Ngoba ngihlezi ngithi kubantu, uma kuza ama-local government elections sisuke sizovotela abantu esibaziyo. Yebo baseqenjini kodwa sisuke si-interested kuye lowo muntu. Asiyazi-ke into eqalile lapha phakathi kwe-ANC ne-DA ukuthi izophetha ngaliphi. Kodwa la madoda amabili makhansela ajoyine i-DA. uDino Macpherson uma ekhuluma lapha mabembuza abezindaba ukuthi njengoba kuzukhetho siphile esikhathini sama-coalition, angavuma na ukuba kwi-coalition ne-MK? Wathi cha ngeke, ngoba i-MK iphambene nabo kuyo yonke into abakholelwa kuyo. Futhi okwesibili, ku-MK namhlanje uba yi-member of parliament, kusasa awusenamsebenzi. Namhlanje kule position kusasa awusenayo. Manje angeke baze basebenzisane bona nephathi enjalo. Kodwa akuvezile uthe i-competitor yabo bona eThekwini i-MK kuphela. Osho ukuthi i-ANC na-IFP or NFP naloko kunye akakubali, kodwa yena i-competitor yabo enkulu abazobe bhekane nayo njengoba kuza ama-local government elections ngomhla ka-4 kuNovember, i-MK party. Cela uzwe la.
14%, sorry. I was being too generous for that. It got worse between 2024 and now. That means that there are only two candidates for mayor in eThekwini. It's either Hanif Hussein or whoever Jacob Zuma decides on the day will be the mayor. There is no possibility of an ANC mayor, of an IFP mayor, of an Action SA, or any other small Nyana party that's going to put its name up. There will only be two choices. And I'm convinced that when we have the election, these two men will be putting up their hands for Hanif Hussein as well. Because they're going to win back their wards. They're going to win back their wards. And so we are going to deploy them as the ward candidates for Ward 8 and Ward 16. I also want to say this, that this is just the start. There are more coming. There are more ANC councillors that are coming. And so I'm quite sure at the ANC headquarters, they're going through the list saying who's next. So expect more firings. And expect, if you're an ANC councillor, you must watch your phone because they might send you a WhatsApp.
Uthi noma kufesini mabila amaphathi azobe compete eThekwini. Imeya mayengaphumanga kwi-DA izophuma ku-MK Party. Ayizukuphuma konke lamanye amaqembu amancane. Mhlawumbe ingaphuma ke uma ngathiwa kuba benza coalition. Kodwa nje imeya endaweni yaseThekwini izophuma kuma political party amabili okuyi-MK Party okanye i-DA. Njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ngathi i-DA ithi la madoda ezowabuyisela labo angamakhansela khona. Ukusho ukuthi makuza ama-by elections manje i-DA izobe ifake wona la madoda ukuthi hey sivoteleni. And abantu bangabe babevote ngoba bevotela bona i-ANC senkingeni. Kodwa abantu mababevota ngoba bevotela i-ANC bengavotela umuntu. Ukuthi ama principles e-ANC angiwazi athini. Angisho futhi ukuthi awekho inawo ama principles. Futhi ngiyafisa ukubeka lokho. I-ANC isiyasuke yakhulumeka kabi kuba sengathi abekho abantu aba-right ku-ANC kanti inqwaba yabantu aba-right. Baningi abantu aba-right ku-ANC futhi aba-principled, aba-disciplined abanye. Yikho-ke ukuthi nje ngoba ubuso be-corruption sekwaba yi-ANC. And lokho kwenza kube sengathi amanye ama-political parties awanayo corruption. Kwenza kube sengathi eminye imhlobo yabantu njengabelungu kanje abanayo corruption. Kodwa nje bakhona abantu aba-principled ANC. Ngakubalela oyedwa bekubaba uSoviet Lekhanyane lo beka uJeppesen we-ad hoc committee. Principled, discipline. Baningi ke abantu abadiscipline ku-ANC kodwa inkinga baku-ANC. Ya bengithi angikwazise nje ngalezi inguquko ezikhona kulo mhlaba wezepolitiki. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.